If you hear noise in the background, then that's a TV show, and it doesn't belong to me. And yeah. Alright, so I'm in a bathroom of a hotel that I'm staying at. And went to Walmart, and I got this. It's one of the old Yugio packs. It is Power of the Duelist, or Power of the Duelist. They also had Rise of the Duelist, or Rise of the Pharaoh, or something. So let's just get this pack open. Oh no, I ripped it! Look guys, I ripped it! No! Okay. Man, I really wanted to keep this pack. I will keep it, but it just won't look that good, man. Well, first let's look at the contents of this. Hold on. It says 9 cards in every pack. Collect 35 common cards, 8 in 1 pack. 14 rare cards, 1 in 1 pack. 7 super rare cards, 1 in 6 packs. And 4 ultra rare cards, 1 in 24 packs. Alright. Man, I was really hoping that I could do this. That I could keep this pack. Or I was really hoping that I could save this pack. Right? Alright, so we have a trap card, Synthetic Serpihim? I don't know. Ambulance Rescueroid. It's a fusion monster, apparently. Alien Gray. It's a reptile. Reptiles usually have pretty good effects, so a spell card, Vehicoroid Connection Zone. Oh ho ho ho! We got a foil elemental hero, Dark Neos. This card is sweet. I'm gonna put this one in a sleeve later. We have a spell card, Fake Hero. I could use that with my elemental heroes. We have a dinosaur card, Black Stego. We have Brainwashing Beam, trap card, and Alien Hunter. Alright. So that was the very short opening of the Yu-Gi-Oh! Trading card game, Power of the Duelist pack. Yeah, that's pretty much it. And see you guys in the next video. Peace out.